Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about one of the most common oral health issues, bad breath and plaque buildup. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you, a do-it-yourself mouthwash to help eliminate bad breath and reduce plaque. We have just put together this informative video for you, so stick around till the end to get all the details. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video from us. Let's get started. First, let's talk about bad breath. Also known as halitosis, bad breath can be caused by various factors such as poor oral hygiene, certain foods, and even certain medical conditions. But one of the most common causes of bad breath is the buildup of bacteria in your mouth. This bacteria can release sulfur compounds that can cause an unpleasant odor. A thin film of bacteria can also form on your teeth. This is known as plaque. If not removed, it can harden into tartar, which can cause tooth decay and gum disease. That's where this do-it-yourself mouthwash comes in. One of the main ingredients in this mouthwash is baking soda. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and can neutralize odors caused by bacteria in your mouth. The salt in this mouthwash can also help kill bacteria and freshen your breath. One way to reduce plaque buildup is by using an antiseptic mouthwash, and that's where the hydrogen peroxide comes in. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful antiseptic that can kill bacteria and reduce plaque buildup. It's important to note that hydrogen peroxide is a powerful antiseptic and should not be swallowed, so make sure to spit it out after use. Also, before using this mouthwash or any other mouthwash, it's always a good idea to consult your dentist, especially if you have any dental concerns. So, here's the recipe for this do-it-yourself mouthwash. 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide, 10 to 15 drops of peppermint or tea tree oil, optional. Mix all ingredients in a small bowl or jar. Stir until the baking soda and salt have dissolved. Use as a mouthwash by swishing the mixture around in your mouth for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Spit out the mixture and rinse your mouth with water. Use as needed up to twice a day. One great thing about this do-it-yourself mouthwash is that it is customizable to your preference. The peppermint or tea tree oil is optional, but it can give the mouthwash a minty or refreshing taste and has additional benefits. Peppermint oil has been known to have a cooling effect on the mouth and freshen breath, while tea tree oil has been found to have antimicrobial properties and can help fight against plaque and bad breath. This do-it-yourself mouthwash can help to freshen your breath and reduce plaque buildup even if you have a dry mouth. Because the mouthwash contains water, it can help to stimulate saliva flow, which can help to keep your mouth moist. It's worth mentioning that this mouthwash is not a replacement for regular dental care. It's a complementary method. Brushing twice daily and flossing daily is crucial to keeping your teeth and gums healthy. Also, visiting your dentist for regular checkups and cleanings is vital to maintain good oral hygiene. Another thing to remember is that although this mouthwash is all natural and safe, it's essential to use it carefully and avoid overuse. Using it too frequently or in high concentrations can lead to an imbalance in the oral microbiome, which can cause other oral problems. Another instance where this do-it-yourself mouthwash can be beneficial is if you're traveling or don't have access to regular dental care. When you're traveling, it can be challenging to maintain good oral hygiene. This do-it-yourself mouthwash can be a great solution as it's easy to make and requires no special equipment. You can take the ingredients with you and make the mouthwash as needed. In addition, this do-it-yourself mouthwash can also be an excellent solution for people looking for a more natural and chemical-free alternative to store-bought mouthwash. This mouthwash is made with all natural ingredients, which can be less harsh on the mouth and better for oral health. So, there you have it. A simple and all-natural solution to help get rid of bad breath and reduce plaque buildup. I hope you try this do-it-yourself mouthwash and let me know how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.